On August 16, 2025 in Dundee, Michigan, an officer conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle that was not displaying a license plate.
How's it going? I'm Officer Stuff. Let me see your hands real quick. The reason I'm stopping is you got no plate on your truck here.
Yeah, exactly, I don't.
Why not?
I'm traveling.
You're traveling?
Yes, sir.
You got a driver's license?
Don't need it.
Don't need it? Okay. Why not? The state of Michigan, it states you gotta have a driver's license.
Do you know anything about the Constitution of the United States?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
What's the Fourth Amendment?
Okay, so do you have a driver's license?
No, what's the Fourth Amendment?
I'm asking you a question. Do you have a valid Michigan driver's license, sir?
Why don't you get your supervisor?
Okay.
Get your supervisor here.
811, 804.
Going for 803, not 804.
Sorry about that, sir. Can you make my location? He's not driving, he's traveling.
Clear. You know. Central's clear direct. I'll say it out.
Sir, do you have any identification on you?
I don't have to provide it unless I've committed a crime.
Sir, you got no plate on your vehicle.
I do not have to provide you with anything as long as I have not committed a crime.
Okay. I'm just simply asking for your Michigan driver's
What's your
license.
RAS?
I'm Officer Stump. I work for the Dundee Police Department.
I understand that.
This is the village of Dundee
What is your ARS?
What do you mean ARS?
What is your articular suspicion that I have committed a crime?
Okay, so you don't have a plate on this vehicle, which is a violation of Michigan.
You don't understand. It's a statute or it's a legislative law. Okay.
Okay.
When
you know the Michigan Motor Vehicle Code?
I do know it, but I don't need to know it.
Okay, what do you know about it?
Because I drive in the private capacity. Okay.
Okay.
I am traveling at my own capacity, my private capacity. Therefore, I do not need it.
Okay. All right.
Okay. And I'm going to need your name and your
Stump,
badge
right
number.
811.
811 is your badge number?
Yep. Stump. S-T-U-M-P. Just like a tree stump. Yep.
Because I'm going to let you know, I'm going to put you on notice right now that this is going to be connected to your bond.
Okay. What kind of bond?
I know you're bonded. All officers are.
Okay.
And either you took an oath, okay, you did take an oath personally, right?
Yeah, all law enforcement officers had taken an oath.
You sure did. So now you're bonded, okay?
Okay.
So now what's going to happen is when your supervisor gets here, okay, you're probably going to be finding a new job.
Okay. Why is
it?
it?
Let you know. Because you broke your oath just now.
How so?
Because you pulled me over.
You don't have a license plate on your vehicle.
I am traveling.
Okay.
It's understandable. I'm an American.
Okay. Are you feeling to identify yourself to a law enforcement officer?
I'm not going to identify.
You don't. All right. Go ahead and shut the truck off for me.
Nope. Unless you told me I committed a crime.
You committed a traffic violation. So
when your supervisor gets here,
yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
I don't want to do nothing bad to nobody, but the thing is,
I appreciate that.
is you guys need to understand the law. Okay? You might understand the statute law, okay, commerce law.
You talking about the MCLs?
No, you might understand that, but you don't understand common law. Okay, and I'm not running in commerce law.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. My supervisor's on the way as you requested.
Awesome, thank you.
So we'll just hang tight until
you
we
guys
get there.
have a chief of police, or do you have a?
Yeah, we got a chief.
You got a chief? Okay. He's gonna be out here too.
Okay. So my boss is coming, so he'll be able to talk to you.
Great.
So it's just a simple traffic stop, man. You got no license plate on your vehicle. That's it. Okay. All I'm simply asking is that
you just broke your oath by. I didn't commit a crime. Okay, and
you're violating.
You pulled me
traffic.
over. You broke your oath. Okay, you broke the Fourth Amendment. Okay, the Constitution. If you don't know what it is, go look it up.
Okay.
And then you'll understand what I'm talking about.
Okay. We can. It's all right. We can just wait till my boss gets here.
And just for future reference, I want you to understand that as an officer of the law, And I don't blame you because you guys are taught a certain way. You're taught through the academy, you're taught everything through MCL laws. You guys ain't taught common law. And you're not taught to protect yourselves. Okay, I have nothing against police officers. I really think you guys are awesome to have around. I just think that you guys are very uneducated. Okay, and what the real laws are. Okay. Now see, a driver's license, if you really want to know the truth, a driver's license is a contract through the state to be a driver. Okay. The only time you need a driver's license is if you are running in commerce. You are doing business under that driver's license. That's the only reason you need it. Okay. And I got 2 cases going now. I've already won one.
Oh, where'd you win that at?
In Taylor.
Taylor?
Yep.
Okay.
So, and there's 4 officers that got arrested up there already. You know, got arrested and kicked off the force.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Because of shit like this.
Oh, they stopped you for no plate?
Well, they didn't stop me for no play, but they stopped me for sitting in a parking lot.
Oh.
Okay. But I didn't have plates on either. Okay.
I mean,
so I don't want to come off as a cocky dick. Okay, but I just want you to understand that you guys are subjected to some bad shit. Okay, because your office hasn't been totally honest with you guys, just like they haven't been totally honest with us, the people. Okay, and as citizens, we look at you guys to serve and protect. We don't look at you guys to be tyrants.
Okay, so if you want to go and you want to learn about all that, let's say I want to go and I want to learn the correct way, right? Like you said, where do I go?
Constitution of the United States, Declaration of Independence, Bill of Rights. It's all there, okay? And I'm gonna let you off the hook. I'm gonna let you know what the 4th Amendment right is. That is the right to travel anywhere you want to in this country without being bothered.
Okay.
Unless you've committed a crime. Okay, I haven't committed a crime. I haven't done nothing wrong, so.
Okay. You think so? Like I said, I got training in the Michigan traffic laws here, so.
Exactly.
What's going on?
He's not driving, he's traveling.
Okay.
No
Do you have a driver's license?
And doesn't want to provide.
Doesn't want to provide. Okay.
Have I committed a crime?
You're one of the sovereign citizens.
No, I'm not a sovereign.
Okay, Michigan law
I'm
requires
state
you.
national.
Okay, well, Michigan requires you to have a driver's license in this state. Okay, sir, we're not going to play this game. I'm going to let you know right now you need to provide identification to the officer for the stop, and if not, you're going to end up going to Monroe County Jail. Your vehicle's going to be impounded.
Okay, can we get your sheriff out here? Or your captain?
No. I'm the highest ranking supervisor right now.
You have to.
No, I do not.
Yes, you do.
Okay, sir, are you going to comply?
You know you're going to get fired, right?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not, sir.
Yes, you are.
I am not.
My house is right there. Okay.
You need to have a valid driver's license to be on Michigan roadways, sir. Your vehicle's not registered as well either. So you're committing
So
2
you don't know
crimes.
what the Constitution of the United States is either, do you?
You don't either, sir.
Oh, yes, I do know what it is.
All right, well, you can go whatever you want to do with that, but yes, sir. So are you going to provide that information?
I'm not going to.
Okay.
And the thing is I asked you.
Hey,
I asked for the supervisor.
And I am the supervisor on duty.
And now I'm asking for either the captain or the sheriff.
The highest ranking person on duty for our department right now is me. Other than that, it's the chief of police, and he is not working today. And the sheriff does not come out here for these types of calls. So I know you recognize that the sheriff is the only elected official in law enforcement when you're a sovereign citizen, but apparently...
I'm not trying to be a sovereign citizen.
Okay. What was the initial stop for?
No license.
Central 17 calling.
I
All right, sir.
Identification.
You're gonna have to step out of the vehicle then.
I got 811-803 on a traffic stop.
Yes.
For another
You
officer.
step outside the vehicle.
I didn't know what your location
If,
was.
if you put your hands on me and you kidnap me from my automobile,
Step out of the vehicle, sir.
if you kidnap
Step
me,
out of the vehicle, sir.
if you kidnap, don't touch me. Get your hands off of me.
Drop it now, sir.
Don't touch me.
You're going to jail then.
You get your hands off.
Okay, let's get him out.
You get your sheriff here. No, you get your sheriff here. You get your.
Hey. Run your door.
Hey. No. Come on, man. Come on. Hey. Calm down. I am injured, okay? You're gonna hurt me more. You're going to hurt me more.
Get out of the car. Now. Turn around.
5846 or
Hands behind your back.
5853. Clear direct. 46-100.
You guys are some serious shit.
All back.
And you'll be paying for this to come back to me.
Yeah, face that way real quick.
Clear.
Hey, one more.
Priority traffic on. 811 custody. 1324.
Legal seizure, kidnapping. Okay. Look at 18241 and 242. And 18, USC 18, 1581 through 1591A. Okay?
Go this way.
You guys are both gonna be gone. You both are done. I guarantee it.
Face the car real quick.
And that officer assaulted me.
Alright. Take a seat.
I want my phone.
Okay, take a seat.
I can't sit like this. I'm telling you, I got bad back problems and I got heart problems. You're gonna fucking hurt me.
Okay, just take a seat, man.
I can't sit back.
Okay, you want to stay forward and not do a seatbelt, or are you refusing a seatbelt?
Yes, I don't want a seatbelt,
Okay,
please.
I gotta put this on you though.
I just said I don't want one and you put one on me anyway.
Yeah, you gotta have seatbelt. Simple stop.
I don't see any idea on him. He's got his VIN covered up. He's got a thing that says constitutional waiver or whatever. I don't know if you can get that out of it. Can you get that piece of paper out of the dash?
MSP unit.
No, you're fine. We don't want to get you involved on this one.
1449. 49. Dundee PD is asking, do you guys have a
Rick Martin,
scanner?
Constitution lawyer. Is that his name? I don't know, but I'll check the VIN. Yeah, I don't know.
Firm, but I'm the only one working and I can't use it.
I'll get you the VIN.
Ready to come down.
Is your name Rick?
811
Nope.
clear direct.
Nope, you're not Rick Martin.
Nope.
Okay.
Can I get my phone, please? So that I can call my...
I can't get you anything until I figure out who you are.
Central to 811.
Good.
1449 has one, but she's not able to use it. She can see if Brian can come down if like
Negative. He'll just be held next
clear. 1449 clear direct.
Firm.
817 salt.
Okay, that's the VIN.
Sorry.
Hey, yeah, counselor, did you want to speak to the other counselor?
This is gravel, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
See on the back? No soliciting private.
Oh, yeah. He's got the flag, too.
Yeah. He's spouting off the
So you
Constitution.
got R&O, too, right?
Yeah.
They all with them R&O, so.
Yeah.
The way they are.
Turn this off.
Nope, that's not the sheriff.
Ultimately, the driver was charged with 2 counts of resisting and obstructing a police officer, 1 count of failure to identify upon request of a police officer, one count of refusal to provide DNA, and multiple traffic-related violations, including driving without insurance. After he eventually identified himself to jail staff, it was found out that his license expired in 2006. He was processed at the jail and later released after posting a $5,000 bond. Court records show the case is now moving through pretrial proceedings, with no final disposition entered as of the most recent update.